Hi, my name is Richard Rockman, and today I'm going to be talking with Dr. Janet Kuebler. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Janet Kuebler. I'm a marine biologist in the biology department at CSUN. I work almost exclusively on seaweeds. Lots of different things about seaweeds, but what other questions you have?
Yeah, what classes do you teach at CSUN?
This semester, I'm teaching two upper division GE classes, Life in the Sea and Ecology and People. So these are opportunities for students outside of biology to learn something about biology and make connections in their lives. I also often teach design and analysis of experiments, which is the undergraduate biostatistics and experimental design class.
Cool. Can you tell us a little bit about your research interests and like the type of research that you do?
So all of my research, like I said, has to do with seaweeds and mostly how seaweeds respond to climate change. So because climate change affects so many things about the physiology and the ecology of the species, well, whatever species you're interested in, it spreads out into a lot of different areas. So at times we've done work on population genetics and cell biology of seaweeds. Physiology, biochemistry, and ecology. Lately, I'm working on seaweed aquaculture and how we can develop seaweeds that are climate change resilient for supporting the future of aquaculture.
Wow, that's really cool.
I
Do
think
you have,
so.
yeah, do you have graduate students and undergrads in your lab? And uh, what sort of work do you do or do they do? Like, is it in the field based or is it laboratory based? I know I asked a lot in that question.
Okay, right now I don't have any students working on this project except for one who's working on an outreach aspect of the project, which is the California Seaweed Festival. Um, but I'm interested in having especially some undergrads work on the project. I'd like to have funding earmarked in the grant for graduate students when I have graduate students. So if I don't have that, I don't like to have graduate students because I worry about them being able to get their work done and finish if they don't have an assistantship. So, um, so right now I have no grad students. I have a postdoc who's based at the University of Connecticut, um, and and a graduate assistant who's working on the outreach project.
Then, so are they kind of the second part of that question? Are they primarily working, or would students work with you in the lab, or would they work out in the field, maybe diving in the ocean, or?
You know, it depends on the interest of the students. So there are possibilities for all kinds of work. What I had in mind immediately, because of our current situation, is to have students work in the lab culturing seaweeds.
Super cool. All right, well, thank you so much, Janet. I think this will cover it, and I will talk to you soon.
All right. Thank you.